Hello everybody. Now let me introduction our mixed gas oil-free compressor. This working medium is mixed gas, and this is one-stage compressor. Let me see the compressor physical condition. The name is the model is HV 30 cubic meters per hour, and the pressure is 10 bar. The suction pressure is from 0. Yes. You will see the electric starter. We use the anti-explosives control box. The class is CT4 class for the compressor. And also this compressor is 2-stage. You have see there's 2 pressure switch for the compressor, and there's one for suction pressure and one for discharge pressure. This is for suction. This is for suction inlet, and also this is drive drain valve. This one is water inlet, water cooling. This one is water outlet. Also, discharge terminal is here. Oh, sorry, this compressor I think should be 1 stage. 1 stage. Cooling water pressure and suction pressure and discharge pressure. Okay, good. Okay, thank you.